Can AI make viral shorts in minutes? Or is it just a pipe dream? I'm testing 5 AI tools to see if they can help you create shorts that blow up fast. Let's find out if AI can make you the next viral sensation. Tool 1, SendShort. YouTube Shorts are taking over with over 70 billion daily views in 2025. But making them manually can take hours. Can AI do it faster and get you those viral views? I started with SendShort, an AI tool that turns long videos into shorts by picking the best clips and adding captions. I uploaded a 10-minute vlog to test it. It generated 3 30-second shorts in just 2 minutes. Normally, I'd spend 45 minutes editing one short, so this was a massive time saver. The AI added colorful captions with 95% accuracy, which is key since 80% of viewers watch without sound. I posted one of the shorts, and it hit 6,000 views in 24 hours. Not viral yet, but a solid start. SendShort also lets you auto-schedule your shorts to YouTube, saving even more time. One clip had a funny moment from my vlog where I tripped over a chair. The AI picked that as a highlight, and viewers loved it. If you're struggling to edit shorts quickly, here's a tip. Upload your video to SendShort, let it auto-clip the highlights, and tweak the captions if needed. AI handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on creating more content. SendShort got me off to a great start. Let's see if the next tool can do even better. Tool 2, Opus Clip. YouTube Shorts need to grab attention fast, and AI can help by predicting what'll go viral. Opus Clip uses AI to auto-reframe videos, add animated captions, and even score clips for virality. I tested it with a 5-minute interview clip. It generated 2 shorts in 90 seconds. With captions that were 97% accurate. Normally, I'd spend 30 minutes on captions alone, so this was a huge win. Opus Clip gave one clip a 92% virality score, so I posted it. It hit 12,000 views in a day, which is getting closer to viral. The AI auto-reframed the video to keep my face centered, which made the short look polished and professional. I also loved how it added a zoom-in effect on a key moment, like when I shared a surprising fact, making the clip more engaging. If you're unsure which clips will pop, here's a tip. Use Opus Clip's virality score to pick the best one before posting. It takes the guesswork out. AI optimizes for engagement by focusing on what viewers love, so Opus Clip delivered fast, viral-worthy shorts. Let's keep the momentum going. Tool 3, Klap's AI. Consistency is key for viral shorts. Posting daily can 10 times your reach, but who has time for that? Klap's AI extracts clips from long videos, adds subtitles, and reframes for shorts, all in one click. I tested it with a 20-minute podcast. It gave me 5 shorts in 3 minutes. Normally, that'd take me over an hour, so I was impressed with the speed. Klap's AI added beautifully designed captions and even suggested hashtags to boost visibility. I posted one short and it hit 18,000 views in 48 hours. Definitely viral territory. The clip was a funny story from my podcast about forgetting my lines on camera. Klap picked that moment perfectly. I also liked how it let me customize the fonts to match my brand, making the shorts feel more personal. If you're struggling to post often, here's a tip. Use Klap to batch create shorts for the week and auto-schedule them to YouTube. It's a total game changer. AI lets you scale content without burning out, so Klap made creating viral shorts fast and easy. Let's see what the next tool can do. Tool 4, Vizard AI. Trending elements like music and emojis can make shorts pop. AI can help you nail those details. Vizard AI auto-clips videos, adds captions, and throws in emojis for extra flair. I tested it with a 15-minute tutorial video. It made 4 shorts in 2 minutes with trendy captions and animated emojis. Normally, I'd spend 40 minutes editing, so this was a big time saver. Vizard also added a trending music track that's hot on YouTube right now, which boosted engagement. I posted one short and it got 9,000 views in a day. Solid numbers. The clip was a quick tip from my tutorial, and the AI added emojis, like a light bulb when I shared the tip, made it more eye-catching. Vizard's AI also auto-translated the captions into Spanish, helping me reach a broader audience. If you want more views, here's a tip. Let Vizard add trending music and emojis to your shorts. It makes them stand out in the feed. AI taps into what's hot, so Vizard created fast, viral-ready shorts. One final tool to test. Tool 5, Quso.AI. Knowing what'll go viral before you post can save you time. AI can predict that for you. Quso.AI uses an AI virality score to analyze clips, plus it adds captions and graphics. I tested it with a 10-minute gaming video. It made 3 shorts in 2 minutes, with one scoring a 94% virality chance. Normally, I'd spend 30 minutes guessing what might work, but Quso.AI made it easy. I posted the top scored short, and it hit 25,000 views in 24 hours. Super viral. The clip was a funny reaction to losing a game. The AI nailed the highlight. Quso.AI also translated the captions into French, which got me comments from new viewers overseas. I loved how it added a dynamic progress bar, making the short more engaging for viewers. If you're unsure if your short will flop, here's a tip. Use Quso.AI's virality score to post with confidence. It's like having a crystal ball. AI cuts the guesswork by analyzing trends. So Quso.AI made viral shorts fast. Let's wrap this up. That's it. Peak Performer Zone Crew. 5 AI tools tested to make viral shorts fast. SendShort, Opus Clip, Klap, Vizard, and Quso.AI delivered, with my best short hitting 25,000 views in a day. AI definitely works. Which tool will you try? Drop it below. Next, watch Can AI Teach You Coding in 30 Days? 5 tool tested. Go make some viral shorts.